Whether equipped with an automatic or manual transmission, few vehicle repairs match the complexity, or the cost, of transmission repair. As the core of the drivetrain, the transmission manages the transfer of engine torque to the wheels, controlling speed, load, and direction through hydraulic circuits, electronic controls, clutch packs, and planetary gearsets operating in precise synchronization. In this video, we will break down the most common transmission problems, explain their mechanical and electronic causes, and show how to recognize early warning signs before serious damage occurs. Transmission fluid leaks. Automatic transmission fluid performs three critical functions: hydraulic pressure generation, lubrication, and heat dissipation. Fluid leaks commonly occur at the pan gasket, input or output shaft seals, transmission cooler lines, or valve body connections. A visible red or pink fluid leak reduces system pressure, leading to delayed engagement, slipping clutches, and increased internal temperatures. Repairs typically involve seal or gasket replacement, followed by refilling the system with the manufacturer-specified fluid to restore correct hydraulic operation. Shifting delays and erratic shifts. Inconsistent shifting is usually the result of hydraulic or electronic control faults. In automatic transmissions, shift timing is regulated by solenoids controlled by the Transmission Control Module, or TCM. Low fluid levels, incorrect fluid viscosity, or contaminated fluid can interfere with solenoid operation. In manual transmissions, similar symptoms often originate from worn clutch discs, pressure plates, or incomplete clutch disengagement. Proper diagnosis includes fluid inspection, electronic fault code scanning, and mechanical clutch evaluation. Gear slipping. Gear slipping indicates a loss of torque transfer within the transmission. In automatics, this condition is commonly caused by worn clutch packs, burned friction material, failing band servos, or insufficient hydraulic pressure. Prolonged operation under these conditions accelerates internal wear. In manual transmissions, slipping is typically caused by a worn clutch disc or weakened pressure plate. Resolving this issue requires component replacement and precise reassembly to restore proper torque delivery. Transmission overheating. Heat is one of the most destructive forces affecting transmission longevity. Elevated temperatures degrade transmission fluid, reducing its lubricating and cooling properties. Overheating may result from low fluid levels, excessive load, blocked cooler lines, or restricted fluid circulation. Degraded fluid often turns dark or sludgy, leading to clutch glazing, valve body wear, and bearing damage. Corrective action includes fluid replacement, system flushing, and inspection or replacement of cooler lines and heat exchangers. Unusual noises. Whining, clunking, or clicking noises indicate internal mechanical wear. In manual transmissions, these sounds may originate from worn synchronizers, damaged gear teeth, or failing bearings. In automatic transmissions, common sources include a failing torque converter, damaged planetary gearsets, or a worn transmission pump. Accurate diagnosis requires fluid analysis, acoustic inspection, and in some cases, partial disassembly. Electronic and control system failures. Modern automatic transmissions rely heavily on electronic control systems. Faulty sensors, wiring issues, or TCM malfunctions can disrupt shift logic, causing harsh shifts, gear hunting, or complete failure to engage. Advanced diagnostic scan tools allow technicians to read fault codes, monitor live data, and recalibrate control modules. Repairs may involve sensor replacement, wiring repair, or software updates. If this breakdown helped you better understand transmission operation and failure diagnosis, subscribe for more in-depth automotive engineering content. Share your transmission questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.